For the first time in history, a new generation of parents is raising children. And trust me, as a child psychology expert, मेरे लिए इतना exciting है ये देखना how parenting and how parents, their mindset has evolved over the years. And because I run a school, I see the parents every single day, day in, day out, and it's really, really awesome to see how Gen Z parents are raising their kids. And if you're a Gen Z parent, or even if you're a millennial parent, please do watch this video so that you come to know what are the amazing things that Gen Zs are doing with their kids. So Gen Zs, wo hai, the ones who are born between 1997 to 2012. So there are a lot of Gen Zs who have now become parents and उनका parenting देख के बहुत मजा आता है. Why? Because these are the parents जो traditional parenting methods को question कर रहे हैं. They focus more on mental health. They seek parenting knowledge. उनको एक direction के साथ में आगे बढ़ना है. They want emotional connection with their children. They are the ones who are talking about therapy, healing, counseling. Wow, it is so amazing. But ये shift कुछ confusion and कुछ challenges भी लाता है. Let us decode who the Gen Z parents are, how their parenting style is different, what are the strengths of Gen Z parents, and common mistakes to watch for. So Gen Z parents are typically digitally very connected because, well, they've been born in digital era. They're information driven, they're emotionally very expressive, they are open to therapy, psychology and child developmental science. वो लोग अंधविश्वास में नहीं मान के, they are actually looking for facts, science, data, and they are making calculated decisions. And unlike previous generations, जो blindly inherited what the traditional sayings or the traditional methods were, Gen Z actively research करते हैं and they really reach out to me, they seek knowledge, they seek counseling, and it's beautiful how they're parenting because वो सफ़र नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो साइंस का सपोर्ट लेके अनटैंगल करते खुद के थॉट्स एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन लेके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, which is amazing. Let me tell you how Gen Z parenting is different that I see in my parent community at Happy Minds and this online, this big community that I've built. सबसे बड़ा difference मैं देख सकती हूँ is mental health awareness. They focus more on emotional validation, emotional intelligence, emotional vocabulary, gentle communication. हर चीज चिल्ला के बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Gently हम अपनी बात आगे फॉरवर्ड रख सकते हैं. Understanding behavioral causes. ये ऐसा क्यों behave कर रहा है? Because of this. They are a little mellow. They let things go. They also hold on to things that are important to them. They understand that वो जो कर रहा है it is for him, मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो is for me. They are emotionally more mature. Number 2, difference मैं जो देख सकती हूँ is learning based parenting. मतलब Gen Zs are actually attending the workshops. They follow parenting experts. They read neuroscience based parenting material. So parenting is more like skill based for them rather than instinct based parenting जो traditional parents करते थे. Difference number 3, breaking generational patterns. जो चलता आ रहा था वो चलना जरूरी है ऐसा नहीं है. We break what does not work for us. मतलब fear based discipline हमें नहीं करना है, हमें बच्चों को धमकी नहीं देनी है, हमें इमोशनली बच्चों को सप्रेस नहीं करना है, हमें कंपैरिजन बेस्ड अपब्रिंगिंग नहीं करना है, हमें इमोशनली कॉन्फिडेंट बच्चे रेज करने हैं. अगर दुनिया में सारे पेरेंट्स ऐसा सोचने लगेंगे, ट्रस्ट मी द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू बिकम सच अ बेटर प्लेस. ये सब देख के लगता है Gen Z's का strength really lies in emotionally aware parenting, open communication with children, willingness to learn and adapt, focus on child's confidence and mental well-being. और ये सारी चीजों की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, मेरा बच्चा इमोशनली एक्सप्रेसिव बन रहा है, सेल्फ अवेयर हो रहा है, कॉन्फिडेंट कम्युनिकेटर बन रहा है, which is a very beautiful lifelong success indicator. Also, when we talk about such amazing strengths, we must also talk about a few challenges that Gen Z parents will face is information overload because all the information is available digitally. What's right, what's wrong, क्या लेना, क्या नहीं लेना, कब digital information shut down करना, वो boundaries नहीं रहती है कभी कभी. Pressure to be perfect parents, pressure to be emotionally available parents बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा because Gen Zs mostly live in nuclear setup. So when they live in nuclear setup, they also want to work full time. So they have all the load of full time mom, full time parent, full time working, full time, all the responsibilities of the house on them. Initially, it used to be a village that used to raise a child. Now it's just two people raising a child, and it gets very taxing. Because everything is so digital now, उनका डिजिटल डिस्ट्रैक्शन इतना स्ट्रांग होगा कि वो फैमिली बॉन्डिंग को अफेक्ट करेगा. एंड लास्टली, जब हमारा इतना इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है तो बाउंड्रीज मेंटेन रखना भी कहीं ना कहीं डिफिकल्ट होता है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट डिजिटल पेरेंट्स, जेन-ज़ी पेरेंट्स विल हैव टू वॉच आउट फॉर. एंड बहुत सारी बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि उनका पेरेंटिंग नॉलेज इंक्रीज हो रहा है पर पेरेंटिंग क्लैरिटी डिक्रीज हो रहा है बिकॉज देयर सो मच ऑफ नॉलेज बट क्लैरिटी क्या करें, विच नॉलेज डू वी पुट टू यूज वेयर, वो क्लैरिटी नहीं है. Now let's understand, Gen Z parents are trying to heal from the previous generation and also raise emotionally resilient next generation. It's a very big challenge. However, with right tools, boundaries, with a lot of self-help practices like gratitude, journaling, reading, workout, good nutrition, sleep, having a good social circle, it is definitely going to help them push themselves better and give their best shot at parenting and raising Gen Alpha, because now Gen Alpha has come. So all the best with that. And this is all about Gen Z parents. All the best to you. If you think you've known any Gen Z parent, please share this with them. Every week I make amazing content on child brain science and child psychology, and if you like my content, please subscribe. Thank you very much. And if you have any doubts or queries, please type in the comments so I can personally reply to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.